Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be using the honey and the turmeric mask on my face because I've been trying a lot of different things, but mostly things that are natural on my face, just to see what works and what doesn't. I have high pigmentation and it's been there for like 3 years now, so I'm really working hard and focusing on removing it this year. So I'm focusing on mask, cleanser, and mostly just vitamin C. So the first thing I did was obviously wash my hands and then rinse my face thoroughly because it's been a long day and I hadn't washed my face. So I rinsed that, and as I was rinsing it, I noticed that I didn't have any bumps, as in like new pimple that were developing. It's just only scars, which was a good thing. Then pat it dry. Of course, I needed to be dry for the honey and the turmeric mask because it is it is lumpy. So I used this brush to apply, but then like I don't know what was happening because I trusted this brush so much. I was using it before to apply mask, but I think it's because of the product that I was using. I don't know why. I don't know why. I need to go back and complain because, child, this is not it. And then I carried on applying the mask, but I had to use my razor because right now I don't have any brush. I'm not a makeup girl, so I don't have any brushes that I can use. But this proved to be useful, and I was able to apply it all over my face. I forgot to remove that. I don't know if it's hair, the brush hair on my forehead. It doesn't look nice. It doesn't look nice. It is actually bothering me. I don't know why I didn't remove it. But yeah, the honey and turmeric mask has a lot of benefit, but mostly it moisturizes your skin. Is that the word? Yeah, and it has like antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, so it really helps your skin if you're suffering from acne and breakouts, stuff like that, and if you have been on the sun. So it really works. But then now and again I like to apply it because it makes my skin to be plumpy and not dry. So yeah, apply that, and then I had to apply it even on my chin, below my chin, because I also sometimes break out there, also near my ears. I don't know why this place is the most vulnerable place. Then I have to leave it for like 15 minutes. Then this was when I had to wash it out because it was dripping all over my body, and then I rinsed it off. You have to rinse it off thoroughly because it is like it gets into your skin, so it sometimes it will be there even if you just washed off your face. So I first use like clean water, and then the second product that I used was not really a product but like not second product. Then I use a cleanser to just get in there, you know, remove the residues. And the last part was I used the foam wash, which was one of the things I said on the last video, that it's a cleanser. It's also a foam cleanser, and it washes the any dirt that could be left on your skin. But then I was thinking of using the strap here because it was very hard to remove the turmeric on my face, actually on my skin. I decided against that because I felt like my face was soft, so it felt like it will hurt my face somehow. So I just went on with the foam wash. I use the foam wash. So after the foam wash, I had to shave my face. I have a lot of hair in my face, and I don't like it because sometimes it look like I have stitches. Like I'm a man. I know it's natural to have stitches, but like it's not nice. Then I used the aloe vera because it helps with irritation whenever I have to shave my skin. And then yeah, it has a lot of properties, and I don't remember some of them, but I just know that whenever I have to shave, I use that because it has like anti-inflammatory properties also. And then yeah, I just shaved. I think I shaved 3 days ago, 4 days ago. So I don't have much hair, just like the dead. I don't know where it's coming from, but probably the hair grew again because it can't be any other that it's black, so it has to be hairs, right? It can't be the turmeric. The turmeric is yellow, so I was getting like a black dead on my face, so it was probably my hairs. Yeah, my hair, probably my hair. Then I shaved. Obviously, you have to be very gentle with this because it can easily, yeah, cut your skin. It is very sharp, but mostly what I wanted to cut was my eyebrows. I needed to cut my eyebrows again because the hair around there draws back pretty fast, and it doesn't look nice when it's all over the ombre um blending. So I had to shave my hair around there, but mostly it was, I didn't have any like a lot of hairs around my face, so it was just my eyebrows and under my nose. I don't remember this upper part of my mouth, what is it called, child? But yeah, I had to shave that too, and yeah, I was good to go after that. And voila, it's all done. Here I was using the foam wash that I was talking about, to wash any residue on my face and remove any other dirt that could be left by the razor. And this one is, it has like, I don't know what it's called, but you know when you had a long day and you've been burned and stuff like that, it just feels so cool on your face, kind of cools your face down. That's what I'm trying to say. So I washed it off, then rinsed my face again, and then here I just needed to let go with on with the moisturizer. So I went on with the I went on with the aloe vera moisturizer again because I felt like after shaving, I just needed something to, like, um, stop any irritation that might come on my face. This is the second time I'm actually shaving my face. I'm not really a shaver, so I didn't know what was I was expecting. Last time it didn't irritate, so I didn't know if this time it was going to. Then I went on with my micellar water. This is I use this as a toner. Kind of obsessed with this one. I use this as a toner. Um, Before I put on either a sunscreen, moisturizer, night cream, or anything that I could use on the day. So yeah, this is basically me using the micellar water, and as you can see, I feel like I mean, it's the easy light, but also it adds that glowing yana on my face. I don't know what to call it. So yeah, this is basically everything that I did. And then I put on a moisturizer. Probably put, yeah, I did use a lip gloss after this because my lips look so dry. I don't know what is going on, child. But yeah, I did put on a lip gloss, and I still use the same lip gloss from Essence that I'm obsessed about. So yeah, this is basically everything, and thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying up to this far. See you next time where I update you. Probably in 6 months, my face will be way much better. Crossing fingers. Bye.